In front of me is Honor 9A, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, just reach Settings, then find and select Home Screen and Wallpaper, and go to Wallpaper. And now you can pick either something from online album, so just tap on More Wallpapers, and here you'll be able to find some options. Right here you can apply it. You can go with your own pictures by tapping on Gallery, so you can choose something from your own gallery right here, or you can just pick one from the default wallpapers, for example this one, that one, just whichever you like the most. And let me pick, for example, this one. And if you want to apply it, just tap on confirmation mark. Then decide if you want it to cover your lock screen only, home screen only, or both of them. I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, both home and lock screens are covered with this picture. Actually, it's just one picture. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.